Hello, guys, and welcome back to this amazing channel. This is Abhinav. So, first of all, please let me know that if I am clearly audible and visible to you all. And a very good evening to everyone. Am I clearly visible and audible? Just a one in the chat. So, let's keep it a binary conversation, one for yes and zero for no. Okay, fine, great. So, am I visible and audible? Great, guys. So, before starting, just hit the like button so that we can reach multiple audience, and also share this live with your friends before we start. Okay, great, great, guys. Okay, lots of one. Great. So yeah, this is let me first introduce myself, guys. This is Abhinav Awasthi, and I'm currently working as a DSA mentor at Geeks for Geeks. I'm an upcoming software developer intern at LinkedIn. I'm an ICP series list, a 5-star course and expert code courses. And guys, this session, this DSA Masterclass is for you with collaboration with tech analogy, and we have some people from technology. So we have Pranav sir and Kautshav sir from technology. So hello sir, first of all welcome to this YouTube channel.
Thank you so much, Abhinav sir, and we really feel that this event that we have brought in with collaboration, like we're bringing Abhinav Awasthi as well as technology team. We all are looking forward that we are able to deliver you guys the rightful meaning of DSA, importance of DSA, how much is it important, and how easy it can be when it's imparted to you the right way with the right resources from our professor, Mr. Abhinav. And I also have with me Mr. Kaustubh, who is the CEO. If Kaustubh, you also give an introduction, and then we can start the session.
100%. Hello, guys. How are you doing? I think there's a lot of Josh out there. I think in the starting, Abhinav sir had sent a beautiful message. How's the Josh? And I guess a lot of people had messaged a really great comeback out of that. So, all right, let us start with a little bit of introduction before we get started and not let Abhinav sir wait. So, tech analogy, a little bit about tech analogy. Tech analogy is India's best and only edtech firm that is a messiah for all the engineers out there. So all the engineers out there, please check us out back afterwards, as that we can hit you guys up. The next thing, I want you to welcome all of you to our 3-day masterclass series. Today is the first session of this 3-day masterclass series, in which you'll be learning about DSA, a lot of different tips and tricks of how to crack Mang, and most importantly, there's a little bit of surprise at the end of this masterclass. This is a 3-day event, and it's going to end on 29th, and there's a little bit of surprise that we'll be letting you guys know later. But just before I can end it, just a little bit of reminder, every one of you, please stay tuned for the feedback session, because you are going to get the certificate for all the 3 days on the basis of this. So we hope to deliver the best for you. And I think let's get started. Abhinav sir, thank you so much guys for this patience. Let's get started.
Sure. So guys, before starting, first of all, just hit the like button. I'm saying again and again this thing so that this can reach to multiple people and everyone can benefit for it. Okay, and we will be having the amazing DSA session now. Okay, so first of all, guys, before starting, we will be having this particular masterclass for the next 3 days. Okay, so first of all, let's interact. Let's you guys can know me and let me know you guys too. So first of all, guys, please let me know your year, your semester, and your college name in the live comments, please. Semester and your college name in the comment section. Fast. Then we will start. So we have 700 people now. So guys, I want 700 likes on the video so that the likes and the views can be maintained. The session will be of 1 hour, and guys, you will get the recording of the session after the video. No worries. You will get the recording. There will be. Okay. Guys, jaldi, jaldi, jaldi. Your year and your college. And the like button, yaar. I can see that there are 700 people now. So I want 700 likes, obviously. Lots of response. So means some of you are from first semester, second semester, third semester, fourth year. So great, guys. Great. Amazing. Amazing. This is amazing, guys. So let's start with this wonderful DSA master class. So listen, first of all, I will start from very basics. If you don't know anything about DSA, even you don't know the full form of DSA, I am going to cover everything. So don't worry with that. Whether you are in the first semester or you are a pass out, you will understand DSA in the full view. Okay? Getting? So again, the last time, how's the dose? Everyone. How's the dose? Great, great, great. So now let's start, guys. So DSA, a three-word makes a lot. Okay, these three words can get you into a farm. These three words can get you a job at Google, at Amazon, at Microsoft. That are very, I think, one of the most important thing in a complete journey of a software engineer or a computer science student. Okay, great, guys. So let me first share the screen. Okay, and before sharing the screen, okay, so just a single question from you guys. Okay, maybe many of you know. Let's see how many of you can answer it. What is the most valuable thing in current scenario? I know time is the one of the most valuable thing. Time is there, the most valuable thing. You can say in technology. So what's the most valuable thing in technology? Time is there. I know time is one of the most valuable thing. Okay. Money is there, obviously. Money is there. Skill, coding, data, voice check, DSA. No, not DSA. They are skills. Okay. They are skills. Data. Okay. Data is the thing. So data is one of the most important thing. If you see like Google, why Google is this billion-dollar company? Because they have our data, where we are going. Google Maps know that where we are going. Okay. Google. Why Facebook is now a big company? Because Facebook has our data. Why Amazon is big? Because Amazon knows what we want to earn, what we want to basically buy. Okay, so this is what data is. So we have lots of data around us. Okay, anyone who doesn't have data with them? Anyone? किसी को data now? बताओ कोई है ऐसा? Anyone who doesn't has data? I don't think there will be anyone who has data. We have our laptops. Okay? We have a laptop. We have our mobile phone. We have our brain which is always with us. So we always have data. Okay, everyone has data. Exactly, everyone has data. Subham, amazing. Okay, now the thing is, where do we store data? Tell me, guys. So देखो मैं अभी इसको boring नहीं रखने देता. I don't want to be it a boring class कि I just open a whiteboard, I start writing on the notepad, and you will say, sir, what are you teaching? No, don't get bored. This is the first session. Okay, don't get boring. Okay, so tell me, guys, where do we store data? We have databases, we have servers, we have databases. Okay, database servers, exactly. So we have databases where we store data. Okay, great. So for database, we have different memory or languages like DBMS. DBMS used to manage data. Okay, so for storing data, for managing data, we have databases, DBMS. Like SQL is there, the query language. That's all. Okay. Now, guys, how we can use this data? How we can manipulate this data? So let's say you have the map of your complete city, but if you don't know how to use that data, there is no need of it. Getting? let's say Google has the detail of your complete city, your complete map, your complete city map is what Google has. Guys, please be consistent, reply karo, because those who will reply a lot in a comment section, they will get a certificate and some extra things too. Okay, so please write in the chat box. मैं जिसके like ज़्यादा देखूंगा, they will get a chance. Be consistent in the chat box. Okay, I am reading each and every comment. Okay, great guys. So guys, to use that data and to manipulate that data, you will get certificates, and at the last we will announce. Okay, don't worry bro, don't worry, we have technology with us, we have lots of things for you. Okay, don't worry. Great. So guys, listen, we have data. Let's say I have the complete map of our city. I am in Kanpur, I have the complete map of Kanpur. Okay, but if I don't know how I can use that, there's no need of it. So to convert the data to a information, we need algorithms. Okay. So there's a very practical example of data. Okay. So everyone uses Google Map. How many of you uses Google Map? Everyone uses Google Map. Okay. Every one of you. Now, in a Google Map, if you have to search for the shortest path between two places, like you are in your home and you have to reach, let's say, your college. Okay. So you can simply search that what's the shortest between your home and your college. That's the thing you will get. How? Because Google is using some algorithm to find the shortest path. Achha, can anyone tell me the shortest path algorithm which is used to find shortest path? Let's see how many of you knows. Algorithm which is used to find shortest path. PRIMS is for MTA, basically minimum spanning tree, MST. Dijkstra. So Dijkstra's algorithm is there. Bellman-Ford, Flood-Warshall. There are lots of algorithms. Okay, there are lots of algorithms used for. I don't know that which algorithm Google is using. Okay, that's a secret that only Google engineers know. But yeah, these are algorithms used for shortest path. So guys, this is why, if you will see, in the current scenario, all the top tech companies are hiring on the basis of DSA. Why? My voice is breaking. Okay, is my voice clear now? This set one. Is it clear to everyone? Okay. Great. Also, guys, hit the like button. Okay, before starting. Great, guys. Great. Okay, guys. So अब ये सही था ना? ये सही था, guys. Till now, is it clear to everyone? Okay, fine. चलो. तो अब स्क्रीन शेयर करें, थोड़ा मजा करें डीएसए के साथ. स्क्रीन शेयर करते हैं ना? बताओ जल्दी. चलो, ठीक है. Great. So, great. Is the screen visible? Yeah, I will define each and everything. Is the screen visible? Okay, yeah. Okay. Hindi, English. Okay. No Hindi. No worries. So, guys, DSA. Okay. It is comprises of two words: data structures and algorithms. Okay. As I told you, if we have data, we have databases, but to manipulate that data, how it will be stored. So let's say there are 840 students currently in the live. If I have to store the name of you all, so I will use an array. What is array? Array is a data structure that stores data of similar type. So that is what array is. Now, what is algorithms? Algorithms are used to manipulate that data, or we cannot say manipulate. I can say that algorithms are used to use the given data in effective manner. Getting? Getting? अच्छा चलो बताओ guys, just tell me just one thing. Okay, let's see one thing. Okay, your voice is breaking, just a minute.
Okay, is the voice clear now, guys? I don't think voice problems will be there. Is it clear now? Okay. Is it better now? No? Fine, fine, fine. Done. Okay, okay, okay. Now guys, okay. अब देखते हैं, ठीक है. This is data structure. This is algorithms. Okay. So the first was, so currently in this session we will discuss three things. The first was what is DSA, why we should learn DSA, and how we can learn DSA. So these are the three things that we are going to discuss today. The three things: what, why, and how. Okay. So we have discussed what DSA, that what is DSA. So DSA comprises of two words: data structures and algorithms. Okay. Now, data structure, as I told you, if we have to store the name of you all, I will use a data structure called array of strings. Okay. That is what it is. Okay, guys. Tell me, if I have to sort you all in the according to alphabetical order, so that I can allot you guys roll number, then what I will do? Tell me. What we will do? If I have to arrange your name in an alphabetical order, what I will do? What should I do? Sorting. We will use sorting, means we will sort the array, getting according to the alphabet. Great, guys. Great. So this is algorithm. So you can see data structure means we have stored the name of you all in an array. Algorithm says that we have sorted the names in the increasing order. Got it? Badhiya. Now why? Now let's come for why. That why should we use DSA? Okay. So first of all, DSA is something directly proportional to your problem solving skills. DSA is directly proportional to your problem solving skills. Means if you are a good problem solver, that if you are, or we can say it vice versa, if your DSA skills are good, that means you are a good problem solver. And guys, this is what companies want. So let's say Google hired you. Okay, now you are going to work for Google. What do you work for Google? What Google wants from you? Google wants that you should solve problems for them. Google wants from you that you should solve problems for Google. Obviously, that is what Google wants. So that is why they are hiring on the basis of DSA, because they know that if you are a good DSA problem solver, if your DSA skills are good, that means you are a good problem solver. Okay, that's the reason. Getting amazing, guys. Amazing. Okay, badhiya. Great. So now this is the answer of why. This is what I replied why. Okay, why DSA. So guys, तो एक काम करते हैं. We will discuss how. After that, we will discuss a very amazing question of DSA. ठीक है? तो सबने binary search पढ़ा हुआ है? How many of you know binary search? अच्छा नहीं भी आता होगा ना? Then also we will take an amazing example of DSA question ना. एक बहुत अच्छा से लेंगे and then we will say क्या बात है सर? ठीक है? चलो अच्छा, ठीक है, great. चलो सर हाउ में बाद में आते हैं. लेट्स फर्स्ट टेक अ प्रॉब्लम. ओके, लेट्स टेक अ प्रॉब्लम. तो एंड यू गाइस हैव टू रिप्लाई हाउ. ठीक है, आपको बताना कैसे करेंगे. So guys, let's say कि you have a sorted array of integers. You have a sorted array of integers. Guys, the likes and the viewers is not balanced. Please like the stream. There are 800 viewers but 500 likes. Please increase it, okay? See, let's say that we have a sorted array of integers. The twist is of, so guys देखो जिसको कुछ नहीं आता है ना, for those who don't know anything, no worry, this is very basic question, okay? Very basic, बहुत बहुत ही basic है. Don't worry, okay? Now, let's say you have a sorted array of integers, fine, and of infinite length. Of infinite length. So guys, what you will do here, because in binary search we have finite length, but here we have infinite length. Is the problem clear? Now what you have to do in that infinite array of integers, let's say that the array is like this, okay? Let's say it is like this: 2, 5, 9, 11, 13, 17, 19, 21, and go on till infinity. I don't know what's the size of the array. It's up to infinity. And in that array, you have to find for a number. Let's say you have to find for a number x. That whether x is present here or not. Don't think about DSA. भूल जाओ DSA को. Don't think there is something called DSA. It's just a normal question. Just a normal question. Forget DSA. Don't think कि कुछ होता है DSA. Normal है. Problem clear है? Sorted array of integers of infinite length. Infinite. Getting? Everyone knows about infinite. What is infinite? Okay. And in that array, guys, I am not getting the replies here. Please reply a lot. I want everyone to respond. One. Just write one. Just write one. I don't want yes, okay, no. One. Just one. Okay. Great. 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 Amazing. 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 Okay. ठीक है. कैसे करेंगे? How we will solve it? Tell me. How we will solve it? Infinite array. It's an infinite array of integers. Sorted है. We have to find for a number. How we can pick the middle element? No, I know that we have to show. Listen, guys. The first thing is linear search. Okay, linear search. Don't go with the word linear search. Don't go with a technical name. Linear search is very simple. That you will simply choose. Okay, guys. Now let me tell. Okay. So what is linear search? Linear search means that you will first search the first element, that whether it is equal to x, then the second element, then the second element, then the fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. दिस इज वॉट लीनियर सर्च इज कि आप स्टार्टिंग शुरू करोगे, यू विल गो अप टू लास्ट जब तक वो नंबर मिल ना जाए. गेटिंग? दिस इज द फर्स्ट वे. इज दिस वन क्लियर? प्लीज राइट वन इफ दिस इज क्लियर. दिस इज कॉल्ड लीनियर सर्च. जस्ट गो सीक्वेंशियल. ओके, सीक्वेंशियल. ये सबको आता है. एवरीवन नोज अबाउट इट. ओके, ग्रेट ग्रेट ग्रेट. नाउ लेट्स सी फॉर बाइनरी सर्च how we can implement binary search here. Binary search, okay. Now you will say that we don't know binary search. Okay, forget binary search, forget DSA. Just focus on this question. Okay, can we find a more efficient? Because we don't have a bound. So some of you are saying I plus j by 2 means find mid. But how we can find mid? This is an infinite array. How we can find mid? Great, Soham. Great, Soham. Great. So someone has response. Soham, P. We can increase bounds by power of 2. Exactly, guys. Exactly. This is what we will do. Okay. Great. Any more thing, guys? Any more? How we can solve it? Let me see the responses. Great. Guys, more you will respond, more interactive it will be. So please respond a lot. Okay, now let me tell you. Okay, let me tell you. Great. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Let me tell you. Okay, let's start how we can solve it. Okay. So guys, what we will do here? Let's take another example. See guys here. Okay, what's it? So let's say the thing is like 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 11, 14, 16, 17, 20, 22, 24, 30, 32. So let's say this is the array. This is the array. Okay. Now you have to search for a number, let's say 17 in this array. That whether 17 is present or not. Okay. Is this clear? Is this example clear? Okay. Great. Now guys, see what we will do. Please keep running the chat section. Keep running it. Okay. Keep responding. Okay. So first of all, what we will do, guys, we will check for the first. Okay. So first of all, we will take a range. So guys, I am not teaching DSA here. Okay. Don't worry, I'm teaching DSA. I am just trying to tell you how different algorithms work. Don't think it is a DSA. Okay. A normal problem. It is a normal problem. Okay. Great. Listen. So currently we have a range 1. Range 1 means, first of all, we will check for the first one number, that whether it is present there or not. So is in this section 17 is present? Tell me. Is 17 present in this section? 17 present? No. It is not present. Okay. So what we will do now? That now we will double the range. So now range will be 2. Okay. Now range will be 2. So means now the range will be after that 2 numbers, because we know that till 2 we don't have 17. Now next 2. Now is 17 in this range? How we can check? We can check the first element and the last element. Because in that range the numbers will be between 3 to 5 only. 17 is also not here. Okay, great. Now we will double the range. Now range is 4. So now it will be like this. Now we will check the first element of this range and the last element. So first element is 11, last element is first is 7, last is 11. So means we can't have 17 between them. We can't have 17 between them. Okay? Getting? Great. Now we will make it 8. Now we will check for the next 8 numbers. Now for these 8 numbers, what we will do, we will check first is 14, last is 32. Is 17 between them? Tell me. Is 17 between them? Yes, 17 is between them. Now what we will do? So now we know that we don't want the rest of the array. We don't want the infinite array. We know that 17 is between that much array only. So what we will do? We will just remove the rest of the array. Remove it. We don't want this huge array. We know that 17 will be inside this only. Okay. Now we have this small array. Instead of that infinite array, now we have this is power of 2. That's basically because log 2 is taken. You can take any one of it. You can take power of 3 also, 4 also, anyone. Okay. Now guys, in this array also you can do the same thing. Again, range is equal to 1. So first, is 17 here? Is 17 here? No, 17 is not here. Now range 2. Is 17, so now range 2. So means, is 17 here? Yes, 17 is here. So means we don't want rest of the array. So we will remove this also. Now we just have 2 numbers. Now we can see that, yeah, 70 is not in the first place, so it is in the second place. Yeah. We have searched 70. How was it? कैसा था? Learn something new? Learn something new or not? So just hit the subscribe button, guys. If you have learned something new, hit the subscribe button quickly. They will move forward. We can double the range, we can triple the range, whatever. Double is considered basically. We don't consider large because then the range will be more. Now, first range 1, then 2, then 4, then 8. We can do it like 1, 3, 9. But in that case, the range value will be large. No, I will not miss you. No, complexity will not increase, Soban. Complexity will be something equal to binary search only. But obviously, it is an infinite array, so we cannot tell it like a. Okay, guys. So how many of you from our? Okay. Great. So if this was clear, hit the like button. Then we'll move forward. Now we will discuss how of DSA. Means how you can learn DSA, and I will discuss our roadmap to DSA. Roadmap means how you can practice DSA, because that's the another important problem, how we can practice DSA, how we can solve DSA, how we can learn DSA. That's another thing that we have to cover. Okay. Yeah, if the array will be unsorted, in that case we can't apply this. If the array will be unsorted, unordered, then maybe we have to first sort it, or basically then we have to apply, the only thing will be linear search. Okay, obviously. If we have unordered data, then we can't search from it. If 17 was not there, so that's a good question, Japneet. Okay, so let's say if 17 is not there. Okay, so what it will do? So if you will see here, let's say 17 is not there. Okay, so what it will do? So first of all, it will do the same thing. It will check that 14 and 32 is there. Means 17 should be between them. Let's say it is not there. It's 18. Okay. So it will see that 17 should be between it. 17 should be between this range. So it means it will erase the rest of the range. Okay. The first thing. Now again the same thing. We will check here. It is not present. Here. Okay. So this range is again from 16 to 18. Means 17 can be between it. We don't know, but it can be. So again, what we will do? We will remove it. Okay. Now again, now we have two elements. We can search whether 17 is there or not. We don't have 17. That means we cannot put that 17 is not present. 17 is not present. So same thing will be there. If at the last we get one or two elements and none of it is 17, that means the element is not present. Obviously. Okay. Great. Now guys, quickly, let's talk about. So we have discussed what of DSA and why of DSA. So guys, write OP in the chat if what and why is clear. A OP in the chat. Then we will continue with how DSA. Okay. Quickly. Great. So now lots of OP. Great. So now let's have the next thing. Algo of the question, that the question algo is binary search. We will say it binary search only. Real life example, there can be real life example. Okay, just like we have a real life example dictionary. When we search word in dictionary, we use this technique only called binary search in somehow a modified version of binary search. Okay, don't worry. Okay, guys. Okay. Great, guys. So just a minute, guys. Let me remove some nonsense from the chat. Great. Okay. So now guys, let's talk about how we can learn DSA and the complete roadmap. So today we will discuss the roadmap because before starting with the topics, obviously we have to learn first the roadmap, okay? And from tomorrow we will start some topics of DSA, okay? So guys, roadmap, okay? Yeah, Yogesh, that is a we can't solve infinity. That is why I don't know that whether it can be so in that case you will use linear sets only. Okay, guys. Okay, let's talk the roadmap because we have some time. So let's talk about roadmap. Okay, great. Let's talk about roadmap first. Okay, fine. Algorithm was binary sets only. If not sorted, then we have to use the linear sets. Okay, then linear sets. Great. Okay, fine. So now roadmap. Okay, what's the roadmap for it? So see, for the roadmap, there are some stages of learning DSA. Okay, so first of all, how means how to learn DSA. How means how to learn DSA. So that is why I am telling you the roadmap. Okay, the roadmap to learn DSA. Okay, so now the roadmap is first thing is that you have to select a programming language. Okay, a programming language. That's the first thing. It can be C++, it can be Java, it can be Python, any one of it. I hope that you all have learned. So tell me guys quickly in the comment section, what is your programming language? Your primary programming language. What's your? Quickly. And guys, don't worry, don't leave. We have a feedback from at last. And then you will get a certificate through it. So don't worry. Okay. Yeah, quickly guys. The programming language. Python, C++, Java. So we have lots of, okay. So we have lots of comments. Great. So maybe something apart from it, but basically these are the things which are taken. For those who are doing in C, please switch to C++. That's more good, okay. Now guys, the second is learn libraries. So like in C++, we have STL. Okay, we have STL library. So in C++, we have STL. Getting in Java, we have different libraries. In Python, we have like NumPy, Pandas. So next step is libraries. Okay, fine. Now guys, third. Now here comes the exact DSA. Now you have to. So if you have to find the complete roadmap, you can get a complete roadmap like the topics. First, there are arrays. So I will share the complete map tomorrow. The complete topic tree of DSA. Okay, don't worry. I will share the complete topic tree tomorrow. Guys, it's fine. देख लिया मैंने. Now there's no need to tell your language. It's fine. Okay. Now the complete topic tree like arrays, then string, what to do, that I will take tomorrow. Okay. Now the third thing is guys, you have to pick a topic. Now you have to do a topic. Let's take example that you want to learn linked list. You want to learn linked list. Okay, so how you can learn linked list? Let me tell you this thing. Okay, how you can learn linked list. Fine. So to learn linked list, how to approach a library? For learning library, you can refer anything. You can refer articles, you can refer official articles, you can refer YouTube video, you can practice it. Practice while learning is learning while practicing is very amazing art that I basically do. You can learn while practicing. I'm going to it. Don't worry. Okay. So let's have a game. Okay. So let's say that you are playing a Mario and you are at the level 1. So level 1 is theory part. Theory means learning basics. How we can, let's say you are learning linked list. Okay. So we are taking example of linked list. So level 1 is learning theory, means what is what is linked list, how we can use linked list, what are applications of linked list, how many types of linked list are there, how we can print linked list, how we can input linked list, how we can everything about linked list. That was theory one. Okay, guys, please write that I have learned theory of linked list. Write quickly. Theory हो गई, clear level one. Level one clear हो गया. Okay, so when you will clear the level one, now you will move towards the level 2. Level 2 is basic problems practice. Basic problem practice means I'm not saying to practice very advanced problems. No, basic problem like problems like whatever you have learned in theory, you have to just implement it. Like let's say that how we can print linked list, you have solved the problem of it. How we can input linked list, how we can say change element in linked list, how we can insert linked list, how we can delete link in a node in a linked list. This is the basic problem. So let's say you have solved some 10 to 15 basic problem of linked list. Okay, second level is passed. Second level is passed. Everyone, let's move towards the third level. Just a minute. Fine. Let's move to the next level. Now, level 3. Level 3 is easy, medium, common and standard problems. And you have to solve around 50 such problems. Now, what is this? This third level is most important and most tough level. This is the most tough level of DSA Mario. The game name is DSA Mario. This is one of the most tough level. How? To find these problems, you can find it in any of them. Means like if we talk about Geeks for Geeks, we have Lead Code, we have lots of platform from where you can practice it. Okay, you can randomly pick the question, you can seat anything. Okay, so that's the thing. Means you can simply go to Lead Code and select the basic problems. Okay, you can simply move to Geeks for Geeks and select basic problem tag and then start solving it. Getting? Or any beginner seat, anything like that. By the way, if you will not think, try for it today. I will share tomorrow how to do. Okay, I will tell tomorrow. Okay, Chapneet, I will take this thing tomorrow because today we don't have much time. We have to cover this. I will take this thing how you can select problems tomorrow. Okay, great. Now let's move towards the third level of DSA Mario. So third level is easy, medium, common and standard problem. So what is this common and standard problem? Common standard problems are those which are asked previously in interviews, in coding round, in top product based companies like Google, Amazon. You can easily find these problems. In Geeks for Geeks, there's a tag for it. In Lead Code, there's a tag for it. Lots of it. This is the level number 3. This is one of the most important level, and you have to solve around 50 problems from each topic of this level, of easy, medium level, from common and standard problem जो पहले पूछी जा चुकी, that is asked before. This is level 3. Now guys, level 4 is also, guys, you guys can connect with me on LinkedIn. So I have shared my LinkedIn profile in the comment section. Also I have shared the link tree for technology. You can explore technology too. The link is present in the description. You can check it. Okay, now level 4 is participate in contest and practice randomly. So we have lots of contests. We have CodeChef contest, we have Code Forces, we have Lead Code, we have GG, everything. So we have lots of contests. Yeah, you can practice on either of this. Everyone is great. Every platform is great. This is level number 4. Level number 4 is practice contest, and you have to practice regularly. You can participate in a contest. And at the last, the level 5 is hard problems and interview preparation. This is the last 3 months of your interview and placement. You can try this because now you have solved all the common problems, standard problems, participate in contest, everything. And then the level number 6 is that you are placed. That's all. That much is it. In which level you are currently? Can anyone tell me in which level you are currently? One, two, okay, zero. Yeah, level zero is most important. Level zero is most important. So there's a level zero also. Level zero is exactly from scratch. As I told, I will start from scratch. Okay. That's the thing. So from level 0 to level 6, there is lots of hard work, lots of smart work, lots of practice, lots of learning, a lot. Okay. Great. So guys, for the last 5 minutes, we will have the doubt session. Okay. And then we will conclude it. Any doubt, guys? Till what we have covered now? Any doubt on that? What we have covered now? Salt is this. We have covered, guys. You will get the recording of it. Okay. After the session, also you can get the recording. No worries. Okay. And guys, please, in the description you can get the technology link. You can explore it and my LinkedIn too. And also, guys, I am sharing a feedback form with you guys. You can fill that feedback form. Okay. For certificate. So I have shared a feedback form. You can fill it. By the way, I will also add that in the comment section after the session. You can get it from there also. Okay, no worries. I will add in the comment section. Okay. How you can practice? The practice playroom we will discuss tomorrow. How you can access problem. Don't worry. Okay, we will discuss that. Okay, guys. One by one, let me take. Good platform. It can be Coursera. It can be Coursera. Any one of it. Okay, any one of it. What matters most for placement? Depends. It depends. Okay, skills matters the most. To practice C, you can start with hacker rank, you can start with GFG, lead code, everything is fine. Interviews, do we use Soham? It depends. In some interviews they allow you to use the collections. In some they don't allow you. Also, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because you will be getting the next sessions on this channel itself. So please do subscribe to it. And okay. So no worry, guys. I think it is having permission. I will add the link in the description too after the session. You can fill it from there also. By the way, if operations team is listening, please check the form if it is working fine. Hers, it takes months. It takes a lot. It takes some time to basically complete whole DSA. Okay, it takes some time. The reason being key, it takes me the complete 1 year to complete DSA because DSA is actually a complete very vast topic. Okay, so it's actually important. Okay, how was the session? How was it, guys? And also don't forget to add the comments after the session end, guys. Please comment how was the session. Your feedback is very important for me. Please add the comment after the session in the chat box. Okay, I will share the link in the description in the comment section after the session. Don't worry. Okay, don't worry. Don't worry. Okay, tell me about my journey. So my journey was like that. In my first year, I started competitive programming, and then I started with competitive programming, and I used to solve contests, participate in contests regularly. Yeah, solo learn is good, Sambhavi. Okay, and but I think that you can go with not a app. You can go with sites like LeetCode and GMB. That's more better. Okay. And after that, I started with DSA, learning DSA, and joined different things like as a startup and join my interns. And the DSA journey was quite good. Means there are some up and downs, guys. Okay, don't worry. From level 0 to level 6, at least you need 1 year. At least 1 year. Okay. Guys, don't forget to share this session to your classmate because we will be having 3 days masterclass. Okay, the upcoming 2 days. So don't worry with that. That's very important. Okay, and yeah, great. Guys, form will be shared in the group also. You will get the form in the group. Okay, so you will get. And now, guys, let's come to the conclusion. So let me add Pranav sir again. Uh, Hello, sir.
Hello. I believe, thank you so much, Abhinav sir. It was a great session. I myself got to learn new things from DSA as you explained it in a very precise and very proper way. And all the audience that we have, guys, this is Mr. Abhinav, who is a professional and a great person in the DSA or all the coding topics in competitive coding and all those things. And I believe all of you would have got a pretty much good glimpse of what is the quality of technology and Mr. Abhinav together bringing on board with this program for you all so that you guys can understand DSA, its importance, how we can use and how to learn DSA. It's just the day one, guys. It's just the day one. We have 2 more days remaining in these sessions where we will be telling you properly how we will be acing the topics of DSA. And we at Team Technology, along with Mr. Abhinav, will make sure that you all understand, learn, and are given the right direction for moving ahead with this DSA and understanding how to crack your job interviews, live internships, live projects in the big companies like Mang. So I hope you all had a good experience. Like there has been some, we'll be sharing the feedback slash certification from the WhatsApp group as well as we'll be pinning it in the comment section as well. So after
Sure.
this session, just make sure that you fill the feedback form, fill the form very positively so that we will be able to release your certifications. As well as, by chance, if you are not able to get the form as well, do join the session tomorrow because you have to join the session consecutively for 3 days for be eligible for getting the certifications. So all the best, guys. We will be sharing the form in the group itself. Stay tuned in the WhatsApp group that we have for the DSA Masterclass for the updates regarding tomorrow's session. We will be having approximately at the same time tomorrow, where Mr. Abhinav will be coming and taking this session to more epic level as his personality is, and we'll make sure that you all have a good experience with us. Just
Yeah.
don't forget to fill the certification slash feedback form, which will be pinned in the comment section of the YouTube channel as well as in the WhatsApp group as well. Thank you so
Yeah.
much, guys. I guess Abhinav, sir, we can wrap up the session.
Also, guys, I just want from you guys to please comment your feedback in the comment section too. Okay, it will help a lot. It will motivate me to make tomorrow's session more interesting. So don't forget to drop a comment after the session on the comment section. Okay, whatever you feel about this particular webinar, and please share this particular link to your classmate because we are having 2 more days this particular amazing webinar, so they can also participate in this. And as sir said, that please fill that feedback form to follow certificates. And that was it, guys. I hope you all learned something new in this particular session. And yeah, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe button, and just after the session you can comment. Just जैसे ही खत्म होगा you can drop a comment in the comment section. Okay, I will see how many of you are responding there. Okay, I will see. Okay.
And guys, Mr. Abhinav is also attaching the updated form link in the chat box. Abhinav sir, if you can do that, so that
I've also,
people can just fill the form. And
yeah,
still, no worries, guys. We'll be updating the link in the comment section as well as in the WhatsApp group itself, so you can fill that.
exactly. That's what it is, guys. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir, very much. And that was a great collaboration with the technology. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much for this amazing, making this amazing, and for be a great audience for you all. And don't please don't forget to comment your feedback in the comment section. You will also get the form link there. Okay. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you. Happy coding. Bye bye.